Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You will act fast. Start by isolating the machine, disconnect Wi-Fi or Ethernet to stop any ongoing data transfer. Open Task Manager and look for edge processes using abnormal CPU or network. Right-click and end task to halt activity. Then open Edge, go to Settings Extensions, and record any unfamiliar extensions and their install dates. This gives you targets to remove. Once done, make sure to keep a note of process names so you can cross-check them later with removal steps. You now remove the active components. In Edge, disable suspicious extensions and click Remove to uninstall them. Then restart the browser to clear cached processes. Next, open Windows Settings apps, sort by install date, and uninstall recently added or unknown programs that correlate with the extension names. After uninstalling, run a full system scan with a trusted antivirus plus an adware/PUA cleaner. This catches hidden files and registry entries that manual steps may miss. Once complete, quarantine or delete threats the scanners find. Finish by resetting Edge to default. Settings reset settings restore settings to their default values, then clear browsing data including cookies and cache to remove lingering redirects. Make sure to check Task Scheduler and Startup items in Task Manager for unauthorized tasks, and delete anything suspicious. If you still see malicious behavior, consider restoring Windows to a clean restore point or performing a reinstall. This is a last resort but effective cleanup. If removal fails, keep one troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.